Hey guys, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. It's your beautiful Ada here again, and today we are going to be I am giving out another cleaning motivation. So if you're new on here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video and even deciding to watch this video. Okay, thank you for clicking on this particular video. You're welcome to my channel. Please do me a favor, click that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't ever miss my videos again. You don't want to miss it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Thank you guys for all your support. You guys, I am so excited. Yeah, we are growing and glowing. So yeah, let's get into this video. So yeah, I decided to clean out the whole house. Of course, I have 4 kids, so sometimes or most of the time my house is a mess, so I do a lot of cleaning, which okay, yeah, I do a lot of cleaning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have fun watching this, and I hope this video motivates you to just get up and clean. Listen, there are sometimes I just don't even want to do it, but then I feel like I don't function properly when the house is not in order, so it makes me clean a little bit more than I should. But yeah, I love a clean space. I feel like it just makes me think clearer. Listen, there's nothing like a clean smelling, fresh smelling, nice space. We just can't deny that. So if you're trying to clean up, just get up. This is your motivation. Put this on your TV, tablet, whatever, and let's just clean. Okay, let's go.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep.
So I have bags all over the place. This bag right here, we we're invited for a water park party kind of thing. So yeah, that was the bag I used to pack everything, and we got back and I was just so tired. So I just, we got back late. We got back around 1 a.m. Listen, this summer was just summering. Okay, we got back around 1 a.m. so nobody had time to put anything away. I just left everything there and went to bed. And yeah, this is now the next day, so I'm of course trying to clear out the whole place and clean out the whole place. So that's why the house is a little messy, but my kids, we all had fun. Yeah, we had a whole lot of fun, and yeah, it was nice. It was nice, but now it's time to clean up.
Forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. Cool way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. 'Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? 'Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. 'Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist 'cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, 'cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gonna have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. Cool way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how breathe.
So I am finally in the room, and here I am unpacking all my bags. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I made a video to show you guys what I packed for the water park themed birthday party and everything. So you need to watch that video. If you're a mom, of course, I know you definitely be invited for one of these parties, so do go ahead. If you're not following me on Instagram, come on, what are you doing? Let's be friends. My link is down in the description box. Just go ahead and click that link. Follow me on Instagram so you can catch up on all the fun things. And there I also even show you guys more. Like I do cooking, but really for this channel I decided not to do much cooking like that. But you kind of like, you see it here and there. But on my Instagram, come on, I give you guys all the tea on there, so go ahead and follow me. I'm kind of like more active on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can catch up and everything. Okay, all the food recipes and everything, I give you guys everything. So go ahead and follow me on there and just keep watching. Okay, please watch till the end. I have a surprise.
I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist you. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a. You're stepping on me and they call my mama, touch you better than that. You're mad, I guess you're mad. Wore my best pajama for this drama. Why you talking like that, like that, like that? I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well, come as a bitch, get ready for this. tries my best. Confess, you hate me wearing the pants. If you weren't so damn obsessed with making me a perfect lie. Makeup is out, natural sin, letting my skin glow out. You took it shit if you don't like this. You still live in your man's world. I'm not gonna spend the night. I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind. Keep walking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back. I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well, come as a bitch, get ready for this. You know that I ain't coming back. I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well, come as a bitch, get ready for this.
It's going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
This part of my bed, the storage area, top part, kind of like, I don't know why, but it gets all the crumbles and all the whatever, all the dust, the dust. And you know, this is a velvet material, so just trust it. And black at that, trust it to get all the dust it can. Like, why do you have to do that? But anyway, this is how I clean it up. I vacuum them out. I put my, this is my Dyson V11 animal vacuum. So I love how the suction power is really good. So I put it on the boost one so that you can kind of like soak up every dirt, every bit of it. Yeah, that's how I clean out this particular place. I clean out all the dirt. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you always don't miss my video and you get notified each time I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed. The house is all clean. Now I can sit down and drink my whatever I want to drink and just relax. So yeah, the house is all clean now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it motivates you to get up and get cleaning, girl. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Be sure to come back. Yay!
Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith, you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.